Coffee cake is a classic baked good that goes well with a cup of coffee or tea. It usually has a moist and tender cake layer, topped with a crunchy and sweet streusel topping. However, traditional coffee cake is high in carbs and sugar, which can be a problem for people following a keto diet. Fortunately, you can make a keto-friendly version of coffee cake that is low in carbs, gluten-free, and sugar-free, but still tastes amazing. This keto coffee cake recipe uses almond flour, coconut flour, and keto brown sugar to create a moist and fluffy cake, and a cinnamon and nutty streusel topping. It also has a simple glaze that adds a touch of sweetness and creaminess. This keto coffee cake is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or dessert, and it will satisfy your sweet tooth without spiking your blood sugar. Here are the ingredients and the steps to make keto coffee cake. Ingredients. For the cake: 2 cups of blanched almond flour, 1/4 cup of coconut flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, ½ cup of butter, softened, 3/4 cup of keto brown sugar, such as Besti or Sucrin Gold, 3 large eggs, 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the streusel topping: 1/4 cup of blanched almond flour, 1/4 cup of chopped pecans or walnuts, 2 tablespoons of keto brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, melted, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. For the glaze: 2 tablespoons of powdered erythritol, such as Swerve or Lakanto, 1 tablespoon of heavy cream, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Steps: 1. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and line an 8 by 8 inch baking pan with parchment paper. 2. In a medium bowl, whisk together the almond flour, coconut flour, baking powder, and salt. Set aside. 3. In a large bowl, cream together the butter and keto brown sugar with an electric mixer until light and fluffy. Add the eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Add the almond milk and vanilla extract and beat until well combined. 4. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until a smooth batter forms. Spread the batter evenly into the prepared baking pan and smooth the top. 5. In a small bowl, stir together the almond flour, chopped nuts, keto brown sugar, butter, and cinnamon until crumbly. Sprinkle the streusel topping over the cake batter, covering the entire surface. 6. Bake the cake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool completely in the pan on a wire rack. 7. In a small bowl, whisk together the powdered erythritol, heavy cream, and vanilla extract until smooth and drizzly. Drizzle the glaze over the cooled cake and cut into 16 squares. 8. Enjoy your keto coffee cake with a cup of coffee or tea, or store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or in the freezer for up to 3 months. This keto coffee cake recipe makes 16 servings, each serving containing about 4 grams of net carbs, 18 grams of fat, and 5 grams of protein. It is a delicious and easy way to enjoy a low-carb and sugar-free treat that tastes like the real thing. Try this recipe today and share it with your friends and family.